Take advantage of stunning imagery to make your documents stand out to you and anyone you show them to. You can use background and header images from Unsplash or any of your own to make your work personal and beautiful. All of the options you need are in the Page Style panel. Let's start with a cover image. Just navigate to the side panel on the right-hand side and select Cover Image. Then either choose an image from Unsplash, upload your own, or select one of the AI-suggested images that appears. If you want to make your docs extra beautiful, you can add a header image to a subpage inside a doc, and if you turn that page into a card, you'll see that header image in the preview. You can also add a background image to the card itself. You'll also find background options in the Page Style panel. You can choose from a solid color, a gradient, or an image, and change its appearance to really customize your doc. To add an image background, select Image and choose an image from the suggestions, find more on Unsplash, or upload your own. If an image feels too distracting, you can either choose to fade it out at the bottom or blur the entire image. With Craft, every document can reflect your personality and style. Let us know how you like to make your documents beautiful in the comments, and check out more quick tips on our YouTube channel.